My name is Samidha Kolatkar. Welcome to today's session where we will focus on the visceral fat, reducing this stubborn fat around your organs. These 5 powerful asanas will help you strengthen the core, improve digestion, and activate metabolism. Practice this daily for 2 weeks and notice the difference in your core strength and belly fat reduction. Before you forget, subscribe for more such videos and hope you enjoy this session. Let's begin by lying down on the mat. Let your arms rise and go behind, above your head. Inhaling and exhaling, we bend the knees and press the thighs on the belly, hug the shins and lift the head, bringing the forehead the closest to the knees. And this is Pawanmuktasana. We continue to breathe through the pose. We hold it minimum for 30 seconds. And in the early practice, we do this at least 2 times. 30 seconds each round. We open up, relax, we breathe. And we once again prepare ourselves to hug the shins, lift the head, press the thighs with awareness. So you feel that press onto your belly. And do not forget to breathe. While you're in this pose of Pawanmuktasana, try to bring your awareness to the core. And when you release and roll back onto the mat, we then prepare ourselves by pressing the lower back on the mat during the exhale and lift the legs, which are about 30 degrees above the ground. This is Uttanpadasana. And we keep the upper body on the mat. We keep breathing. The more that we align our breath and integrate the core, it is effective. And again, we do this 2 times and we hold the pose in each round at least for 30 seconds. Take your in-between time if you need to rest a little bit more before you take on the second round. Allow yourself to ease out. Bring the breath to its natural rhythm and go with the flow. This brings in extremely impacting effect on the core. We are now preparing ourselves to rise up in Naukasana. And once again, we allow our back to be integrated, the core aligned, the breath easy, the neck easy. And we remain in Naukasana for 30 seconds in each of the rounds. Ease out and roll back onto the mat. Use that little in-between break to recharge. So you come back, you bounce back into the second round. And lift. Usually the second time, it's easier to be in the pose because we know exactly the anchoring points. We know exactly how to integrate the core, the breath, and remain in the pose. Roll back onto the mat. And now we will flow into folding the right leg and bringing the right foot close to your head with your left foot straight and pointed. This is Pada Angushthasana. And keep breathing. And in this pose again, we do 30 seconds for each of the leg. And we repeat this twice. We exactly repeat the same with the left foot coming up. We hold the left foot. We raise our head and bring it close. Point the right leg. Keep breathing and be with the pose. Pada Angushthasana. It has extremely good effect on the core and helps reduce the visceral fat. It's a matter of practice, and the second time when we repeat this, we are more familiar. It's much easier to get into the pose. And indeed use that in-between breath break so that you are neutralized and you're able to perform even in the second round without exhaustion. Keep your breath going, keep your core engaged. The foot, the leg which is pointed is a very important anchoring point that lets you balance. Inhale and exhale. At no point that you should skip breath. Just make sure you are breathing easy. Once we are done with the 2 rounds, we relax on the mat and set ourselves up for the last pose of this session, Setu Bandhasana, where the heels are closer to the hips. We place the palms initially down on the ground, then we start to hold the ankles. We start rolling the shoulders inward. We bring the thighs parallel. We tuck the chin inside the chest. We lift the hips up. We squeeze the glutes and the hips. We breathe with awareness when we inhale, and we breathe out with awareness and feel the squeeze of the belly. And try and add that a second or two after the inhale and exhale to allow you to feel the pose. We repeat this pose. Just make sure your knees don't fall out or apart. Keep your feet parallel. And keep breathing. And relax at any part if you feel you're holding it too tight. Relax to let go into Shavasana.